We're here.
I've been given in an instant. I don't need this to end to understand.
You look like such a tourist right now.
I do.
Here we are, guys. This moment. Go ahead.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
Look at this. It's huge.
It's really humid.
Oh my god.
Here's the first part of the bathroom. Lots of storage. This is perfect for all my makeup and stuff. Here I am with my tired eyes. Hey. Toilet. Guys, Taylor and I were freaking out over the shower because, like, seriously? This is all nice, but bum bum bum. The bench. And then there's more water that comes out there. And then the rain shower. Oh my goodness. Seriously, this is huge. I was gonna say you could fit like 8 people in there, but don't do that. It's weird. Towels. So again, this is the first part of the bathroom. This door, of course, does slide over. Let's open it up. And the TV in the mirror. TV in the mirror. Oh, Minnie Mouse. Little lamps, and another huge countertop for my stuff. I shall put my stuff everywhere. Actually, I'll probably put my stuff on that one. Just, I don't know, it's more my style. This one's just, it looks too nice to mess it up. Well, let me make sure there's a hair dryer. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There it is. Yay. Okay, guys. Another jacuzzi tub. This, oh, I don't think I've ever sat in an old-fashioned kind of tub style. Look at that. I love it. And another mirror. Hey. And this comes into the master bedroom. Well, the only bedroom, but it's the Mary Poppins, who we had a good time with today at breakfast. Lots of storage in the drawers. Oh God, can I just bring this home and put it in Jersey, like this whole thing? Look at this walk-in closet. The robes. The robes. The robes. I'm gonna live in this. Oh my goodness. And of course, the bed, which has Mickey towels. Oh my goodness, I love it. Look at all those pillows. Oh, this is so beautiful. And Pam, thank you so much. I can't even stand how much I love this. So this door, I'm not going to open it right now, but this door does unlock. And it's a connecting little patio out here that'll go into the living room. That out there is the walkway that you can take to the, help me, monorail. I have a story for you guys when we get to the next room. So again, bathrooms, bedroom, fancy chair, outside. So coming into the living room, beautiful, right? There's storage in these. This, well, actually, so here's the TV. It shows you the park hours and all that fun stuff. Comes down into a kitty bed, which Mikey said I'm going to throw him on in the middle of the night if he's snoring. Oh, that's heavy. Then, look how nice this is. Guys, isn't that nice, this table? And there's actually even a dishwasher. I won't be doing dishes, but there's a dishwasher. Glasses, wine glasses. There's tons of stuff in here. Bowls, plates. There's your coffee pot and your toaster. We still haven't tried Joffrey's coffee. That's not true. I might have had that at breakfast today. Lots of glasses. Look, Mikey can bake me a cake because there's a nice oven. Wish our oven at home was this nice. Let's see what's up here. Make me a cake. Coffee cups. How nice. It's so cool because it looks like it's a cabinet, but it's the fridge, which I'll be putting a bunch of waters in there shortly. And then, of course, the freezer and whatnot down here. Oh, God, this is so nice. My favorite thing, I have a story behind this. Look how big this is. I mean, we can really hang out here. Maybe later tonight. And it started to clear up. It's beautiful out. That's the walkway to the monorail. My favorite thing, over here, if you look behind that tree, is the slide that they told me was going to be under renovations, as well as the beaches, pool, bar, and grill over here. I was told, I received an email about 2 months ago saying it was going to be under renovation. It's open. It's not refurbing, or they did it already and it's up and running. No construction over here. I think that's over by the main building. So in all honesty, I'm freaking out, even though it's not really warm enough today, that we can actually go in the pool. So that is extremely exciting because I just want to go down that slide. And then there's the bedroom right there. We have 3 nights here, guys. Oh, but I did find something wrong. There's some tear in that curtain. I don't care, but I'm just saying. Look at this. It's so classy. I feel like I'm gonna get kicked out. Hey guys, we're in our 1-bedroom villa here at Grand Floridian. We've been chilling for a while, hanging out with Taylor. And if you have not subscribed to the DVC channel, you're missing out. You need to watch Taylor and Josh like right now.
You can check us out.
Right now, they're amazing. So thanks for checking out the room with us. Check out her version of the room because it's going to be a lot better than mine. And we'll see you at the Poly in a little bit. Lolly at the Poly.
Oh, yeah.
And our server this morning was Molly. Woo!
Pineapple shirt.
Oh my God, I don't have my pineapple necklace on.
What's wrong with you?
Because it says Dreamer and I don't want to block it.
Go put,
put your ears
on.
My ears, yes. Look at my